What's up, food soulmates? Today we are making the juiciest fall of the bone lamb shank that you can make at home yourself by following this recipe. We will need 4 lamb shanks, 2 carrots, 1 large onion, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 6 cloves of garlic, 3 bay leaves, 400 grams diced tomatoes, 1 litre of beef stock, and some flour for dredging. Cut the onion into 4 pieces. Slice the carrots into thick chunks. Coat all 4 lamb shanks in flour and shake off the excess. Fry the lamb shanks in a hot pan with oil. Rotate after a few minutes until all sides are golden brown. This caramelization step is crucial to get the best flavor out of the meat. Pour all stock into a pressure cooker. Add all of the spices, garlic, tomatoes, onion, and carrots. Season with salt and pepper to taste. To elevate this recipe even further, you can optionally add 1 cup of wine. Add in the lamb shanks, making sure they are fully submerged. You can add some extra water if this is not the case. Stir and close the lid tightly. Cook on medium heat for 1 hour after boiling begins. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can slow cook this recipe in a pot for 2 to 2.5 hours instead. When finished cooking, turn off the heat. You can either release the pressure rapidly with the valve or wait another 10 to 15 minutes until it is safe to remove the lid. Carefully take out the lamb shanks with tongs, making sure not to squeeze too much. They are really delicate at this point and can easily slide off the bone. Strain the remaining liquid, removing all solids. To make the best gravy, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of flour and stir constantly with the whisk. Add the sauce gradually, half a cup at a time, and stir in between to avoid any lumps forming. Continue until the desired consistency is reached. Serve with your favorite side. In our case, we chose mashed potato with steamed vegetables. Pour the gravy over the top to finish off this dish. Enjoy! And if you'd like to see more recipes, subscribe to our channel.